Hey guys, welcome to Bangalore. What is happening guys, Vimal here back with a new video, and today I'm like super duper excited because we are here in Bangalore to visit an exclusive gaming PC store. In fact, this is one of the biggest gaming PC stores I have seen recently in the Bangalore computer market. So this is festive period, right? I'm pretty sure a lot of people keep looking to build a new gaming PCs or maybe upgrade your existing gaming PCs with new components or new GPUs, right? This could actually be the right time for you. MSI is back with their Powered by MSI promotion campaign, guys, where you can earn up to like 30,000 rupees Amazon gift card voucher. So today I'll be talking about all of these details in this video, guys. Make sure to watch it till the end, especially if you're planning to build like a brand new gaming PC. Now what I'll do is we'll quickly head inside, meet with the store owner and get going with the video. And welcome to SCL Gaming PC Store. Hi Kishan bhai, how are you?
Hi Vimal sir, I'm good.
It's been very long guys, I've come to Bangalore Computer Market and today we are here at Kishan bhai store, SCL Gaming. So why don't you tell us like a small brief about your store and give like a small intro to our audience?
Sure. First, thank you so much. My brother Vimal is visited our store. Really से बताऊँ तो मैंने जैसे इन्वाइट किया उन्होंने बोला है कि यार जरूर आएंगे किशन भाई, आप इतना एफर्ट डाल रहे हो. और हमारा स्टोर लोकेटेड है SCL Gaming in बनशंकरी and सुपर कंप्यूटर लैपटॉप SP रोड, दो स्टोर है हमारे.
So guys, as I've told you at the beginning, today we are here at this gaming PC store for an exclusive MSI gaming PC activity, and also I've told you at the beginning, right, MSI is having their Powered by MSI promotion campaign going on. So we'll definitely go inside, check out all the PC components that we'll be building and talk about the campaign promotion details and everything. So why don't we go inside and check out all the stuff?
Sure Vimal sir, please come.
Wow, beautiful store Kishan bhai. It's actually quite spacious guys in Bangalore market. You got different zones over here.
विमल सर, हमारे पास MSI के पूरे लाइनअप है, जैसे कि मदरबोर्ड भी रहने दो, ग्राफिक कार्ड भी रहने दो, इवन पावर सप्लाई केसेस,
एंटायर पीसी कंपोनेंट रेंज और मॉनिटर्स
सब कुछ है. MSI के एंट्री लेवल मॉनिटर से लेकर टॉप एंड OLED मॉनिटर्स भी रहेंगे. आप बिफोर बाइंग ये मॉनिटर ओपन करके आपके पीसी के साथ में टेस्ट करके भी बाई कर सकते हो.
At that experience zone.
Yes, experience zone.
So guys, if you are in Bangalore market looking to buy like these sort of PC components, right, you can actually come visit SCL Gaming over here, experience these products and then make your purchase decision. Like very convenient for the user.
Apart from that, we will ship all over India. We have a website also in name of SCL Gaming. You can check out all products there. And if you want, we will do home delivery. Otherwise, if you are in a Bangalore, you can visit our store, experience, then you can buy. And my sales team will be guide you which product is compatible with which graphic card, which uses. So
complete user guide solution सब देते हैं suggestions के साथ.
Perfectly suggest. उसके लिए कोई charges नहीं है और आकर experience करके full product test करके फिर buy कर सकते हैं.
And PC building के कुछ charges है क्या?
No, everything free.
Complete free.
कोई भी तरह का PC करोगे, everything PC installation in store पे free है.
ओह, अच्छा एक और क्वेश्चन, अगर कस्टमर खुद PC build learning experience के ऐसा करना चाहे तो
everything हमारा sales team तो आपको प्रोडक्ट में गाइड रहेगा, हमारा इंस्टॉलेशन टीम आपके सामने ही पूरा प्रोडक्ट इंस्टॉलेशन यहाँ पर करवाएगा. अगर उनको चाहिए एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड भी करके दे देंगे.
Oh, very nice. Anyways, coming to today's concept, right, let me first tell you about the PC that we'll be building in this video. So I've told you, right, I've been getting so many comments in my recent videos asking like, Vimal bro, can you build like an ultimate 1440p gaming PC build? And that is what I'll be doing guys, with new gen components using Nvidia's RTX 5070. And as I've told you, this is going to be like a full on MSI themed gaming PC setup. And not just the gaming PC, we also have a brand new OLED gaming monitor from MSI itself, entire MSI gaming PC setup. So before we get started over there, let me first tell you about MSI's promotion campaign details. I know this is the part you people have been waiting for, right? So as I've told you, MSI is back with their Powered by MSI promotion campaign, where you can earn up to like 30,000 rupees Amazon voucher gift card, guys. So I mean, it's actually pretty great, right? Who would want to miss this sort of offer? And let me tell you, this offer is valid on Kishan bhai store also, SCL Gaming. All you need to do is like buy two different items from different segments, right?
कोई भी आप मदरबोर्ड भी ले सकते हो, इवन ग्राफिक कार्ड, कोई भी मिनिमम एलिजिबिलिटी के लिए
just two different categories में से you have to buy two eligible components. It should be on the same invoiceability.
Same invoice
on the same date.
Same date.
Once you do that, simply register your product, submit the invoice, and depending on the kind of product, type of product you're buying, right, you can earn up to 30,000 rupees cashback. In fact, before buying, MSI is also offering like a calculator on this website. So simply select the items that you're interested in buying, and from here you can check out how much eligible cashback or gift card voucher you can get directly from this calculator on their website.
Because 30,000 is a huge amount.
Matlab, see, if you're building like 2 lakh rupees or something, you're saving up to like huge amount, gift card voucher. You can use it for something else.
Extra benefit you are getting, apart from price discounts and everything.
Uske alawa, there's also one more offer. Why don't you tell them about the Steam wallet code? So guys, very simple. Once you buy the components, right, you'll have to share your user feedback, and depending on the type of product you buy, right, you're eligible up to like $50 US Steam wallet code. So that also details I'll leave in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was about the whole Powered by MSI campaign, guys. Anyways, now let's get to the main PC that we'll be building today. In fact, this is actually built by Kishan Bhai, because I'm not from Bangalore, I'm from Hyderabad, right? So Kishan Bhai wanted to save some time for me, and they made the entire setup ready for us, including the gaming PC and the monitor connected and good to go. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look and talk about all the MSI components and the PC configuration that we'll be going for. So Kishan Bhai, what CPU are we using today for this configuration?
We are using AMD Ryzen 7.
Oh, this is the X3D variant, right?
Yes.
Guys, Ryzen 9000 series 9800 X3D chipset, guys. See, especially if you want to do like ultimate gaming, no compromise sort of thing, right? X3D chipsets from AMD Ryzen are the one to go for. And if you talk about the motherboard, kaun sa motherboard?
We are giving new latest X870E with Gen 5 supportive and AI top MSI motherboard.
So this is also like a value for money motherboard from MSI, guys. You're getting all new gen features, including Wi-Fi 7, and you're also getting plenty of other connectivity features as well. Not to miss out, PCI 5.0 support is also there. Now coming to the GPU, obviously our whole goal was to do like ultimate 1440p gaming. So this is what we'll be going for from MSI, the Gaming Trio RTX 5070. And as I've told you, this is a newer gen GPU based on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, right? Obviously it's gonna support NVIDIA's DLSS 4.0 technology, multi-frame generation as well, using which you can get some excellent AAA results no matter what sort of game you're playing. So we'll definitely do benchmarks also in this video. Stay tuned for that. MSI also has some really nice storage as well. This is the Spatium series, available in both PCI 4.0 and 5.0 as well. This is PCI 4.0, guys, in different capacities.
Yes, we have 1 terabyte, 500 GB, 2 terabyte, up to 4 terabyte.
Or coming to the cooler, cooler is also from MSI. This is their MAG series Core Liquid A13 360mm AI liquid cooler. Now obviously we're using like a powerful 9800 X3D chipset, right? We don't want to compromise on the cooling. So this is something you can definitely go for.
And main people will be miss about PCI generation 5.1 and ATX 3.1.
Whenever you're building a PC, right, don't compromise on the power supplies. Power supply is like very important. So I'd advise you to go for something like this, guys, 80 plus gold rated. On top of that, it's a new gen PCI 5.1 and ATX 3.1 ready. Also comes with that dedicated GPU cable, guys, new gen, that too in dual color combination.
Yes.
Wait a second, one more thing I forgot to talk about is the case. Case is also from MSI. Kishan Bhai, tell us about the case also.
This case will become 3 reverse blade fans and 1 back exhaust fan.
Model bol do.
Piano 100R. It's a very good case. It comes with 2 options with MATX, who purchase MATX motherboard and full ATX. Both options is there. Main beauty, it comes with Type C and ARGB controllable. And if you want to upgrade your older component also, it will be synced through LED button. So no need to compromise extra.
You don't need to have
product.
extra software also, guys. Directly there's a button on the case using which you can easily change the RGB lighting. Plus, I have to be honest, this is actually one of my favorite gaming PC cases. My personal gaming PC is also built in this case. Remember at the beginning I've told you that we have a new gen OLED gaming monitor from MSI. Have a closer look. This is MSI's MAG series QPX QD OLED E2 gaming monitor and has like crazy features, guys. First main highlight is it comes with quantum dot OLED panel that will offer you like true to life colors and not to miss out 240 Hz refresh rate and also insanely fast response time of up to like 0.03 millisecond.
And one more benefit, if you are buying any MSI monitors or any products, you will get peace of mind warranty support. And if you have any issues on a monitor, they will come to your place, they will pick up your product and they will drop another product to your place.
Wow.
All over India warranty is there for on-site warranty MSI.
So that is pretty much it, guys. This is the whole configuration. I was like really excited to talk about. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the gaming PC. Just have a look at these beautiful shots, and then we'll get to the benchmarks and check out the gaming performance as well. Alright boys, about time we get into the benchmarks. So right now we'll be testing different AAA title games. I'll mostly be testing out newer game titles only, which support NVIDIA technologies like DLSS 4 and multi-frame generation as well, to give you a much better picture at what sort of performance improvements you will get. And also we'll be playing these games at different resolutions and also with NVIDIA technologies on and off to give you like a complete picture, guys. First, let's start off with one of our favorites, Cyberpunk 2077. Cyberpunk is a pretty graphic intensive game, guys. So right now we'll be starting off the testing with 1440p resolution. I have told you at the beginning only, right? 5070 was mainly targeted for like high-end 1440p gaming. If you have like a 1440p monitor and looking for like triple digit high refresh rate gaming, right? That is what this card is ideally aimed for. But that doesn't mean you can't play games at 4K. So we'll do a bit of testing at 4K as well, one by one. So in this first particular test, we are playing the game at 1440p resolution, very high graphics preset. And as I've told you, in this first test, we are not using any NVIDIA technologies, no ray tracing, no DLSS, no frame generation, nothing like that. I want to show you the raw rasterization performance. So just sit back and check out the gameplay. Okay, as you people can see, in Cyberpunk 2077 at 1440p very high, we were getting around like 90 to 95 FPS on an average. Sometimes even hits around like 100 plus FPS also, but depends on the scene. So this was the raw rasterization performance, guys, native performance at 1440p, no upscaling technologies used. So let me quickly enable ray tracing and see how does the 5070 handle ray tracing at same graphics preset at 1440p resolution. And bam, there you go, you can definitely see an upgrade in the graphics. But as you people know, ray tracing is quite taxing on the GPU, and frame rate has drastically dropped from 9500 FPS to around like 40-45 FPS on an average, guys. But this is where NVIDIA's technologies like upscaling technologies, DLSS 4 and multi-frame generation come into picture. Simply enabling DLSS 4 and multi-frame generation to 4x was improving the frame rate from 45-50 FPS to almost 210 to 220 FPS on an average. That is madness for a 70 class GPU, right? I mean, look at this. The game feels quite smooth and buttery with NVIDIA technologies turned on. Okay, 1440p performance definitely looks nice, but can the 5070 handle gaming at 4K? Now that is the question. So let me quickly bump up the resolution to 4K, setting the graphics preset to same very high just like before. And in this first particular test, we are not using any sort of NVIDIA technologies. We are checking out the raw rasterization performance. And there you go, boys. On an average, we were getting around like 40-45 FPS in Cyberpunk 2077. Not bad, not great also, decent I would say. Quickly enabling ray tracing and also NVIDIA technologies like DLSS 4 and multi-frame generation set to 4x, and now you can see a definite improvement, right? From 40-45 to 150 to 155 FPS at 4K very high graphics preset. So not just 1440p gaming, yes, the 5070 can also handle 4K gaming as well, but I'd advise using NVIDIA technologies to get smooth results like this. Not just Cyberpunk, I've also played some other AAA titles like Marvel's Spider-Man 2 as well. Now this is also like a very graphic intensive game and puts a lot of load on the CPU and GPU, guys. So we will be testing this game also at different resolutions. Starting off in this first clip, we're playing the game at 1440p very high graphics preset, and all NVIDIA technologies like ray tracing, DLSS, frame generation, everything is off, and on an average we were getting around like 90-95 FPS and sometimes hits around like 100 plus FPS also. Quickly enabling ray tracing and also upscaling technologies including frame generation greatly boosts the frame rate from 90-95 to around like 160 to 170 FPS, guys. Muska smooth gaming experience at 1440p resolution. Bumping the resolution from 1440p to 4K, keeping all the graphics presets same as before, and also playing with ray tracing and DLSS was still giving you around like 90 to 100 FPS. Well, that's it, boys. This is what I wanted to show you all in this video. Our visit to Kishan Bhai's exclusive gaming PC store, SCL Gaming in Bangalore. Very interesting store, guys. Huge space. In fact, they've got like multiple branches, one in SP Road as well. This one is a much bigger space which also has like experience zone, lots of components. I wanted to do like a store visit kind of stuff also, but maybe we'll keep that for a next video. We'll definitely do that. If you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And once again, Kishan Bhai, thank you for inviting.
Sir, thank you so much. And आपके ये मतलब गेमिंग कम्युनिटी को काफी हेल्प होते हैं आपके वीडियोस,
बिल्कुल,
ताकि वो जो घर पे बैठकर उनको लर्न करने के बाद में मार्केट में आके पीसी कंपोनेंट्स बाय कर सकें.
ऊपर से had a lot of fun at your place.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much and keep smiling. subscribe it.